Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. Today we're working on a BMW F12 and the programming. Well, somebody was a Jamaican brothers of ours was doing a programming update in a car, and the head unit here going to programming abort mode, and he called me to try to restore it. And there are several SWFL files that are off, and you can see them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them is basically put get deleted and are not written back successfully to the module. We also have several models to be restored here. The LHMR, which is the left headlight model, and so on. But this is the most important one. Other control models such as the passenger seat was not coding. I already code that. And this one, the driver seat model, was not coding, and the RDC also was not coding. So I do these three already for him, and also the IHK. This one also was needed to be coded. Alright, well, updated. The decoding file is already written in it. As you can see, the CAFD file right here, the 092. Alright, so we already did 4 programming, and then we're just going through the head unit. Now we're using ESYS. What we have to do to make this work, we have to go through, I forget the head unit. We have to restore the head unit from programming abort mode. We have to buy 2 long 100 Cat 6 or Cat 7 or Cat 5 Ethernet cable from Best Buy. I told him to do it. He go out there and buy them. And then he has a modem there, the internet modem, and also a switch is connected to the modem, you know. And then I asked him to connect the icon and the laptop to the switch. And then what the switch does, it allows the IP address to be designated by the modem. And then overall, it can now make the network part of the IP address be steady and not change. And that is how the information can be logistically transferred from the laptop to the head unit and restored. Now you can see that the 1E6B file is being written. I think it's more than one of them. We can go right here and look. We can go back to we can go to code in here, and we can scroll and look at see which file here in the head unit section is gonna be let me put this up somewhere. Let us go to the head unit here. Alright, here's the head unit and address 63. As you can see the amount of SWFL file, you can see them. You can look at it, you see them? All of these unknown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are there right here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of these in red are what determined on the laptop to be the SOL, which is the updated high-level targets that must override and fulfill out these. All of them right here. So that's what we see right here playing out now. In ESYS, let me go up to expert modus, title processing, expert modus, and title processing, and then we go to log. Right now we check the head unit only as software deploy. If we check ID restore, ID backup, and ID delete, and CD deploy, and IB, which is the manual deploy, you know, it will have been problems going forward, you know. So what we do now, we have to uncheck all of these others right here, and then we only have software deploy checked. And then we go forward in the log, and you can see now the software IDs are being written. Now let us see if we can scroll up and look how many IDs are written to it. There's a large amount of them, see them? About 8 of them, see that? A large amount of them. Yeah. So we wait now. We have 49 minutes to go. Alright? So we wait. Hopefully it do successfully and we restore the anyway. It appears to be going fine thus far. Just hopefully it write the last file and we get 100% on it. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for now and then. Alright, this is our car here. This is our current I-step shipment, and it's our I-level right here. My friend laptop needs to be updated. If we go to here, software update to show you that the connected vehicle has an unknown data status. They said the plant I-level on the vehicle is 1511.03, and they said the actual I-level on the car is from 2024 November. So you know, basically put the I-level target currently in ISTA here, it says read that it matched to this, or it is less than this right here. Alright, so we are going to we can see now we have several things here. There's no coding data and the reel. This is the seatbelt automatic reel. You know, that reeling about the seatbelt or tension which you should enter into a crash. Alright, so this is called remally. I coded this. I coded 2 of them. And also I coded also right here said there's no current coding data stored in the SMFA, which is the driver seat model. So I coded that. And also this one also the passenger. SMBF is referred to the passenger seat model. So I coded that. so we are going to scroll down and look some more. Alright, so right here, programming abort, head unit. So right now, this is what we're restoring now. You know what I mean? And at the same time, it said no communication possible to control unit in head lights because of the head unit that's supposed to communicate to the head lights as well. Alright, and it has some of the media items that are to be communicated over a media oriented system transfer bus, otherwise called most. Yeah. Alright, so we have a programming abort here. So that's what I show right here, a ring brake. I call it a media oriented system transfer ring brake because the head unit is part of the ring bus topography. Right here, see this right here. See that green? This green rectangle right here. The head unit is a part of it. It communicates to the amplifier on it and the combi. And as you can see, 3 modules communicated on the bus system here of the media oriented system transfer bus. Cool. So when one of these control modules are offline, it's going to show you ring brake. You call it a most ring brake. But once the control module is restored, you will have communication going around for all the modules that is communicated on the green ring, this rectangle shape like thing right here. It's representing the wiring for the media oriented system transfer bus. So as you can see, control modules communicated on the combi, the amplifier, and the head unit. Alright, you can see no other modules attached to it by some line. You see that? It's only 3 alone. And here's the legend of it written right here. See, I click on the legend and it only highlight these 3 modules on it. Alright, boom. We just click it to uncheck and boom. Ready. Alright, so we have 45 minutes to go. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for now and then we will. Alright, see the number there at 18 seconds, 12 seconds, or 1 minute. This will see at 22:19. Ross, it don't know. Give me a green bar or orange bar. Oh, we did it. We get a bar, say finish it one, a yellow bar, better than a red one. We love this, man. This is good shit, dude. Alright, then we're going to read it out. They're doing it now, yes. We're going to read it out. Read it out now, see that? All black. How many? See them now? All the files are restored right here. See them now? The head unit is back. There it goes. Alright, now we'll just write a coding file to you now. The coding file is for the red one, alright? Once you see a blue file readout, a blue CFD file, that's simply means we have to know right now and then. Alright, now let's see if we can update it just now. Go back at child processing. And we'll go check right a second. Then we'll kick start. Alright. It's supposed to write the coding file easily within about less than a minute. Shit. Oh wow. It's telling me okay, it says some kind of process task is wrong. Okay, maybe the file is written as one of it. It said right here, okay, SVKIST does not match. He didn't give us that before. That's bullshit. Alright, we get a red bar. Alright, it give us this right here, so we're gonna finish up this. You know why? I'm gonna have to read over it. I'm gonna read over the call system. I'm gonna calculate back over the call right here. So the coding file of this one, blah blah DED, I'm gonna read it back over. I'm gonna calculate back over this cell and see if we get that blah blah. Alright, we somehow restore back the unit. The unit is restored. All of the coding part now needs to be written there, and I just hope it will work. Wow, really? Right about all the software flush right on it that was missing. 8 of them. Damn, I thought it would fail. And I wouldn't know what to tell you. I wouldn't know what to tell you. Are we gonna save this? We're gonna scroll down. We're not gonna update this one. I can update the amplifier, but I'm not gonna bother with it. You like that shit. I'm not gonna do that shit. All the other models are going to be in black updated. Alright. See the I coded this C, but these ones on that side. Only the headlight model, this one probably disconnected RNA purpose. That one not this one. Here's the head unit now, so the safety part is over. Let me see if we can create that transaction list. Let me see if I can override. Alright, the iSafe is wrong outer variant. This one right here. Yeah, this file is determined on E13 to be written. This is the blue one, actual one on the iSafe, that one. And the ISK now we can actually we can update the ISK now with this. So I think I did the ISK one. That is not important. The touch box you can update that. You can also update the TCB and also the top reverse side. But all of these are working here. So let's see if we can go back over here. Go over, yes. Let us uncheck all of them. Let us see if we can find. Oh wait, there's an edit. Let's see if we can write this file once again. The log. I don't know. I want to clear the log. Let me clear the log. Let me copy this and go to the line. This is the log for this. Alright, so we are going to clear this one, clear log, and we're going to put the ECU here and the CD deploy. I heard that, let me see if it works. Let me see if it works. If it fails, somewhat to try something. Start. Let us see if we write the coding files on systems. It's going to fail. Once it comes up with this, I don't know what to keep coming up with this solution. So 1296. It's already electronic. Yeah, it's failed right now. Very earthly to get that shit. Very earthly. I hate this fucking. Alright, this is a problem right here. It said SVK. Said SVK does not much. Expected control unit. This one, control SG mean control unit, D mean description, and M mean module ID. And this this the matter. The control module is the head unit, the NBT, and then the description module ID is this one right here. This one right here, 1296. And then this one also, 1 FBA, blah blah. So, I don't know, should I write that up as well? I'm going to say, BMW, I hate German people, bullshit this thing. It failed to write. Let me go to the coding section. Let's see if I can write the ADM file. Let's see if I can. We can't determine this shit. The coding, the detect CAD is not there. See that? Like it's not on a laptop shit. Look at it. Oh, see that? Alright, the coding also, code and recoding data, and then this one, it's not there. See the fucking bullshit. I don't know what I'm looking at. It's kind of weird, man. I'm downloading the latest PSDC data on the laptop. I don't know if you read it. This one here, this is ID, this is the coding file, this one I want to write it. Okay. You don't see right here, I like it, nothing to open. Oh, there it is. I cannot see it, I don't know why this is weird. The manual is in the car, the iBot, this is the iBot here. It's in the car. This one is in the car. Those are already updated. You know this is beautiful. These are the ones to be updated. They're updated in the right here. iBot is a manual. And navigation data, this one, NAVD, that one is already there, navigation data is already on there. So entertainment is the entertainment, entertainment data. This entertainment data to do with, I think, as well as management that we use that with the fees. 1296. Let me click other IDs. I'm gonna go back to it. Ah boy, what the wrong slide? I'm trying to fucking pull that. Alright, I'm gonna click other IDs from SVG actual. So therefore SVG actual have an ID. Alright, other. This is SVG actual right here, 1296. It also is called SVK ISD. Calculate time. See what. Then we'll walk over export mode, try to put this in and lower. See what. You have this program, this, and this. Oh, wait a minute, the ICM now, it does not show audio being installed, it doesn't show it anymore. Wow, look at it. Really? Really? Let me see if we're going to get the result of everything. Let me clear the log. I don't want this log anymore. Let me see if I'm going to get it back. Let me see if we're going to get success. IVA deploy. I don't want to deploy the money. It's going to take a long time to write the money. Alright, let me see what we find. I hate failure, man. Yeah, I failed again. Once you see prepare vehicle for coding finish come, it should take a long time. It should take several seconds to show, probably 10 seconds. Once you see it drop after the other ones, you know, so right after this last one right here. Once you see it showed up very quickly after these three, you know, so good. Right. Program headunit requirement. The right all the software flush right here, we go come up with this SVK ISD shit does not match. I think what should do. Because I probably do not update, I think I leave it. I don't know, should I do the abort? I don't know. IVA. If I try to write IVA back. Oh boy, I don't know. Let me try another shit. Let me try. Let me see, let's see if we have it. Long one, let me see. 20 minutes. The manual, the IBA manual to write that and update it on the let us see if we're going to come up with the same part. Alright, the fourth one, prepare vehicle for flash finished. It takes off a count, so maybe the preparation is being set right here for the IBA. The IBA manual. That's just what it is. Come on, man, show up. Now for sure I need the license. Come. I'm not sure. It started to show up now, yeah. The deployment, the logistics stuff is now starting. Yeah. We are updating the user manual inside the headunit. we don't see not even 1% yet. Wow, 0%. Is that God? He said to perform the ECU flush, start with the protocol HTTP. Hypertext transfer protocol. Come on, man, not even 1% showing up yet. Yeah, dude. I mean, damn, the file is that deep. Not even 1%. This look like a sound. Oh, it's 100% now. Okay, we have 100%, 1278. The file ID 1278 now written 100%. Alright. Right, it show 100%. Alright, you started on the file ID 1597. Yeah. 1278 written 100%, so it started on a file ID 1597. And we wait for this. Right, we have ID now right here, this one. 1597 with 100%. Here we go, let's start another one. 1F88. Alright, we're going to pause the video for now. We have 16 minutes to go before the file to be finished. Oh wow, we're done with the 46 seconds. Oh, it's almost finished. Okay, it's right, the file ID right here. 1F8B, 100% now. Oh, it's really three. It's really three files. 1F8B and 1597 and 1278. It's really three files. Ah, we can see the amount that was to be updated. Ah. We'll go back here. Uh-oh, sorry. Uh-oh, shit. That's the way right. Alright, it's just finished. Ah, it's finished now. Manual now. It's been finished. Fuck, I should have checked the thing away, the CFD file. I should have checked it in the lower process. But no, I'm glad I didn't. Because we can now either get a green bar or an orange bar now. Ah, we got a green bar now, it's finished. Ah, green more output. Light through the blue. Alright, we have that successfully written. glimmer of light through the gloom. Right, this now I see the Oh, it appears to be successful now. Wow. I don't see SVK IST comes up again. This one should go through successfully now. Yeah, the coding file written out. It's because the sequence of the manual was to be updated. Yeah, see that now? The coding file now written successfully after the IB has been updated. So this is what BMW does. They write the software flash, they update the bootloader. They update the bootloader first. If the bootloader needs to be updated, then the software flash file and the IB and then the coding file written last. That is the secret of it. That's why it failed the coding, because it was saying that the IDs does not match in terms of the version number, but the IDs were like the same thing from the SVK IST. I say, oh, I know why now. It didn't go through. No, it go through. And you didn't know it's programmed successfully. Okay, made unit now restored. Alright, we're with a green bar, the coding file works. Hooray! We gotta check it. So we go here now. We load up that. And we're gonna click now right here. You're gonna see this turn block. Let's see if it goes. There it goes. We have the file now written on it. Very good. So in the sequence of what BMW arranged the head unit to be written, or if there's a bootload update, it must be written first. And then the software flash file, and then the IBAR. Alright, if this one FLSL needs to be updated, also it will be checked with a red file. Alright, this one was updated 1276. No. 1276 was the work. But nevertheless, yeah, no, it's okay. I know it's the ICM now, we need to update the ICM. Let's see if we can update the ICM right now. Or let me see if I can update the ICM right here. Let me see if I can do this right here. Set it to go through successfully. We'll create a log here for that. We'll create a log for that one. Alright, we're going to update the ICM. Let's see if we go through for this one carefully. Let me see, Woo! We wait. We restored the head unit. Way to go. Clap myself. Way to go, kid. Way to go. What the fucking dude, man? I mean, where's Walter? Walter doesn't answer me, man. On to this dude. I don't know, man. Where is that? Oh, yeah, problem here? Guess so. The IC of yours. Now, give everyone else what we're looking for. Yeah. We'll get negative response from it. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. Fuck, the ignition probably turned on. Let me check out the ignition on. Yeah, the ignition is on. Alright, it failed. That's fine. So, can't forget it. That's just an IC. Couldn't get red bar. Alright, it said out of range. Yeah, negative response, out of range. I see it. I don't know what. It's almost right. You see, almost take it 0% going up to the wheel loader. Somehow it's out of range. Something. I said probably needs to be reversed. And let's see if it communicates and responding. It appears to be responding. It has the files written in it, only these ones. Oh, look at it. Yeah, the B75, this one appears to be okay. But the files need to be changed. The software IDs are wrong. The software flash file is 1. The software flash file determined for this one is 1, ED5, and then the other one, you're going to replace this one, E09. And then, you see, that's what it failed. I mean, there was a used one they put there. That is why ESYS checked it as wrong out of here. It's a used shit they put there. Whatever really close out ESYS again. Let me close the connection. I really wanted to Alright, I'm going to close out this session right here. Tony, Anthony Walker, you're not even communicating. Anthony, what's up? What's up? What's going on?
Yes, Chris.
Yeah, don't I text you? Why didn't you respond to me? What's up? What's going on?
When you text me, what did you ask me?
Alright, no big deal, bro. I restored the end unit. It's restored now.
Yeah, it's working now.
Yeah, but you didn't respond to me on the text when I tell you. Actually, if it's you take long to respond.
So it's not, yeah, it's working now. I saw that. I saw. I mean, you want to put it away because I saw you responding.
Alright, I'm
But
reading.
it is working. But the virtual first numbers.
Yeah.
You said you could program the seats, right?
Yeah.
The ICM as well, because you said the ICM is a different. This is not for that car.
Yeah, because the ICM is the software flash file IDs are determined differently in ESYS for it than the software flash file that came on the ICM, you know. So it's a used one they bought there.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
yeah, either it's right for it or wrong. But let me go through the car one more time. I'll go through it with one more time and check, okay?
Yeah, man. All right.
Yeah. The main problem is solved with the unit, so you're happy now. Oh fuck, yeah, anyway. Alright, I'm so confused that I did it. I didn't know it was going to be successful. It's a trial and error. Alright. We're going to pause a little bit on here. Alright, so the car now.
Yeah, go through it.
So you're there doing a restore and working. How does every video with vertical? Put the phone vertical, right? Can't put the phone horizontal and circle or whatever.
That shit up on the dash tape now.
Now, yeah.
Was it one of those before?
Nah, it was a couple.
Alright, radio in this box. So, cool now. We have 256 calls over there. Alright, all this activation code are accepted there. There it goes. Oh, way to go, dude. Alright, so we have V3 equipment. Alright, the dude. Look at the file close here. Let's see. Alright, yes, active. Transfer mode active. Alright, we're gonna do the transfer mode with this shit. Transfer mode activated in the the junction box electronics and the SCR. VDM transfer mode activated. I don't know, really consider all of it. That was the there goes our head unit green. Wow. This guy's 137 quad volts. What the hell? What more are you pushing, dude? Alright. Display fault memory. Let me see what fault memory. Oh, here, no. Only one is. So what I'll break into a repress, or the car should be driven. Roadway inclination. Alright, that is mine. I brake specification parameter, that's also mine. Go say no. Yes, right, the in-body transmitter right here said front passenger seat backwards lock surface. Yeah, all in for this is my machine. It's almost, yeah, it's only this one. It said no communication possible deadlights, only that alone. The car is really okay now, 138 fault code, most of them is no. The only one we have as yes is this one. These are emission codes, and then this one. It's 2 yeses. And then these are about the same headlights again. This one, the right headlight, this one. It's roughly four yeses. Or you go around. And then we have 4 yeses. And then 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, 24 Falcos a minute. Alright YouTubers, we finished with this car for now. We restored the headunit. That was my main job. And you have some disconnection here, line disconnection here. You must go work out the codes. The TMS right model communication here is open. And the model is either disconnected or the model is really closed. Alright YouTubers, I'm out. Alright YouTubers, thank you for viewing my BMW programming channel. Remember to subscribe. I am out.